Hey good people, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate all of you for deciding to click on today's video and spending some time with your girl. If you are new here, hey, my name is Lavion and I enjoy posting real life cleaning motivation, home decor, and organizing videos that will keep you inspired and motivated in your everyday life. In today's video, I'm giving you some quick motivation to get you going and cleaning as you see fit in your own home. I'll just be washing my bedding, freshening up one of my powder rooms, cleaning and dusting my stairs, polishing my first level floors, and wiping down my banisters. If you are interested in this type of cleaning content and you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and as always, thank you all for your continuous support. You all are the bestest. Starting with my bedding, I like to wash my sheets once a week. Now, washing your sheets regularly can expose you to bacteria, pollen, as well as bodily secretions, sweat, and skin cells. Now, these won't necessarily make you sick, but if you think about it, it's just kind of gross. So if you can, cleaning your bed linen to at least once a week or maybe twice a week, whichever works best for you, is definitely something you should add to your cleaning routine. Cleaning my banisters is not something that's usually a part of my cleaning routine on a daily, and I'm just being honest. I do like to keep them dusted and polished though at least once or maybe even twice a month, and I'm just using my Method wood cleaner. It gets them looking like new every time.
Hard to breathe, but this I know, I won't leave. Waking up in a bed with my head on a chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed.
With a small kid in the house, I often see little hand and fingerprints on the walls, so wiping my walls down is something that I not only do, but have to do. If you watched my last video on how to keep your home smelling amazing, you will know that keeping walls clean is also a great way to keep your home smelling fresh.
You sound so nice, mumble while you sleep. Waking up in a bed with my head on a chest that I don't even know, but I guess it makes sense, 'cause I know we both lied everything that happened last night. So just come back to bed, I wanna hold you, come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. Oh, just come back to bed. A collision of decisions whirling in my heart, and my vision, a rescission, has never been this hard. I got wasted when I tasted the sweetness of your lips. We're not ready, we're unsteady, I'm stuck inside your grip. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart. The question of obsession has never been this close. And the matter if I'd rather just lock myself indoors. I'm righteous, this virus, no dog or pill can cure. This pattern won't turn it, you got me by the core. I'm going down, down, down like a waterfall. You're keeping us miles apart. You got me down, down, down like a waterfall. You know just how to restrain a heart.
If you're following me on IG, you would have seen that I just got a new piece for my entryway table. And if you aren't following me, head on over to IG after this video and go follow your girl. I will be having an entryway decor video up soon, so be on the lookout. But y'all, I think I may need y'all's help on what colors and pieces you think that I should incorporate in my entryway table. Leave your comments and suggestions down below in the comment box. Using my handy dandy steamer on my floors. If you have wood floors similar to mine, try not to use the highest steam level. You will leave steam marks on your floors. And I don't steam my stairs. Not only is it difficult, I actually tried it before and it was just so annoying, but I left huge steam marks on my stairs and it just seemed like forever to go off. So I actually used the Murphy's wood floor cleaner, and that does amazing as well. I have a video up on my channel on cleaning my kitchen, and if you watched that, you saw me putting in that work on polishing my kitchen floors. So of course I'm about to get down to business on these floors as well. Then my sheets are washing on the bed. I know y'all like, girl, why don't you fit it in your flat sheets match? But let me explain. So I found these flannel sheets at Target and I just had to have them. I'm so obsessed with vintage floral. But using both the flat and the fitted sheets was just too hot. So I just used the fitted sheet. And yes, y'all do see me ironing my top sheet. So these sheets came out the dryer wrinkled. And I know you're like, well, did you have to iron them? Probably not, but does it make me feel good to pull back my covers and have fresh pressed sheets? Heck yeah. I'm also steaming my pillows just to kind of sanitize them. After my bed is made, I will just be using the Snuggle fabric spray on my bed, and that will conclude this quick motivational video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Until next video, guys, bye-bye.
So spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me.